Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 and how to change the rear brake pads. The first thing you're going to do is safely jack up the car and remove your wheel.
So we're going to start off by removing this retainer clip. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Just to be on the safe side, make sure to keep one hand in the way when you're removing the retainer clip because it can flick out pretty fast. So you're going to just slowly stick the screwdriver in here and pull it out like this with your other hand in the way. Once it's halfway out like this, just insert the screwdriver back here and pull it. It'll be halfway out, and then do the same thing down here. And it comes right out. And then on the back side, you're going to be removing two plastic caps, one here and one underneath. Again, you just need your flathead screwdriver. With the caps off, you're going to use an H7 Allen socket to remove the two bolts. One's going to be in here and one on the bottom where you remove the cap. With those two bolts out of the way, the caliper is now open, and you just wiggle it off, just like this. And here are the brake pads. As you guys can see, they're completely worn. There's no pad left on it. And the same goes for the other side. And at this time, I'd also recommend you guys to just change your brake pad wear sensor, because usually if the brake's this beat down, the sensor itself is no good. And I'll have those linked down below in the description box as well, if you guys need one for your Mercedes. But here are the pads. They're completely gone. And one thing what we're going to have to do is use our C clamp at this time to push the caliper boot back inside to make it completely flat so we could fit our new brake pads. But before I do that, I'm going to be changing the brake rotor, and I'll have a video linked separately. So if you guys do need to change your brake rotor, then I will have it linked up in the tag in the right corner, as well as in the description box down below. Next, with our C-clamp, we're going to push the piston back in. And to make it easier, just use your old brake pad. That's it, the piston's fully back inside, and now we're ready to install our new brake pads. Here's my new brake pads, and on the back side, you want to put on some brake grease all around. And before putting in the new brake pad that goes towards the piston side, make sure to reinstall your brake pad wear sensor. And also while you're at it, make sure your brake caliper bolts are clean, and then you want to install grease all around this metal surface before putting it back inside the boot.
So once both the new brake pads are installed, you're going to reinstall both brake caliper bolts and secure the caliper in place. And the last thing left to do is reinstall the retainer clip. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to change your brake pads on your Mercedes W212. And if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.